Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Open Adobe Express and sign in with your Adobe ID or company account. Click Create a new project to begin a fresh canvas for imagery. Choose the text to image option from available creative tools within the interface. Set the output size to 1024 x 1024 pixels or choose 16:9 for a landscape crop. Confirm canvas orientation and resolution before proceeding to text prompts. This initial setup ensures consistent image quality for social or print usage. Describe the scene with clear nouns and adjectives for precise results. Mention specific objects, colors, textures, and actions to guide the generator. Include style cues like photographic, watercolor, or cinematic lighting to shape aesthetics. Specify camera terms if needed, such as wide angle or 50mm focal length. Limit prompt length to 1 to 3 concise sentences for clarity and control. Keep terms consistent across edits to refine results easily and predictably. Use re-roll or adjust sliders for creativity, detail, and color control when results need changes. Compare variations and pick the best option or combine elements in the Adobe Express editor. Export final images as PNG or JPG at highest quality for print or web publishing. Choose sRGB for web or CMYK when preparing files for professional print workflow. Credit assets if required and save editable project files for later edits or rapid iterations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.